Today, starting off, I'm gonna start working on this thing. I cannot get the gas cap off. It is currently out of gas. It's been on there for so long. So, I don't know what I'm gonna do about that. I need to take out the seats, clean the carpets, just clean the whole car. I mean, it's nasty. This coilover needs to be put on right here on the left driver's side. I'm gonna sand these spots down, get some primer on them, so they don't rust. Gas cap off. Pair of vice grips. You know what I wanted to do to this car. I mean, I probably told you this the other night. I want to slam it. It's got coilovers, adjustable dampening coilovers already, and I mean, I want to fix up the body and then just dip it. I mean, you know, I kind of want this to be like a test car. They sell the dip kits for like $250. I need to get insurance on it. I need to get the title signed over, and then I need to get the coilover on this wheel and then get it aligned. We're ready to move. Should be a daily while this bad girl is down. I need to go to Advanced Auto to get myself a gas cap and some more gas in this thing. All right, guys, so when I was driving to Advanced Auto, the convertible top motor up here went out. I mean, it don't get no better than that. It really don't get no better than that. I've looked up at LKQ. There's a few convertibles there, kind of the same year. So I might swing down there today since it's my only day off, but I can't take my truck, so I'm gonna have to go pick up my girlfriend's car. So I do have a new window mode for this right here. So I'm gonna try to stick that in before I get out of here. And then I might even try to primer that right fender up there. I did buy a tripod yesterday, so you guys can watch me work now. You know how it is, Walmart special. There's a bolt right here. 1, 2, 3, 4 rivets. And then these things, basically, there's like little plastic tabs that are in here that pop out, and then you got this one little 10 mil bolt right here. Alright, no room up in here. And that stupid convertible motor would go out on me. First day. Ruins my plans. I can't just have that thing sitting outside with no top, you know? Alright, no room to move your fingers in here. This is not a job for people with fat fingers. Alright, let's see if I'm drilling these. Watch out for your wires. Got the window. Wouldn't that be great? Alright. Let's figure out how these come off.
We're putting coilovers on this bad boy right here. E36.
Because Dennis didn't tighten down the coilovers. Fuck me, Dennis. Alright guys, I've been practicing real hard for my NASCAR tryout. That's not the right one. Hope you got that on camera.
Oh, shit.
Alright, take 2 on this, guys.
We're gonna teach y'all how to change some coilovers. Take the jank shit out and put the real shit in, alright? Alright, step by step 2.
This is step by step. If nobody knows how to change an E36 coilover, I'm sure there's probably about 1,500 videos on YouTube. So there's gonna be 1,501. No. Ain't that the sexiest thing you've ever seen? Oh, look at her. Troy, are you beating your meat?
Not here.
Oh. Alright, so this is the bolt you need to take out here first. Actually, it really don't matter. And then there's one on this side. And then there's one on that side. Take out all those 3 first. And then you do these 3 up there, so the spring doesn't hit you in your nuts. You want to keep all your fitment the same. You don't want to be lopsided like Troy's head.
Yeah.
So what you're gonna do is I like to go to this bad boy right here and I stick it even with that one and make it flush right there at the bottom nut. So that's the gap in between this one. That's our gap. So we're off by like 2 maybe. Right there. So after you do that, you turn and tighten her up. Now she's ready to go in. This is the eBay classic. And this was actually a really good deal. I think they were like 250 bucks and they come with dampening. It's crazy, bro.
250 bucks for the whole Ford?
Yeah.
Shit.
It's a good deal. And they ride stiff. Do you see it? Am I getting close? I can never get anything in the hole.
Yeah, the one that's... Yeah. Wait, push it up.
You want to get them snug. You don't want to get them all the way tight. Because then you don't have any room to play with. You know, Alex?
Tomorrow.
To continue out this video, we're just going to be cleaning this thing up a little bit. So I got some Bondo. I'm going to be filling the spots, primering, getting this thing ready to be dipped. My buddy Simon's going to help me weld over the rust hole so that doesn't get any worse. I'm looking at a pair of rims. I don't know, we'll see if we get them or not. One of them's bent, but there's somebody who fixes bent rims in Asheville. So I'm going to see what's up with that. Here's the extra rim. It does not have a valve still in it. So I'm going to put this in, and it's not seated. So we're going to try to blow it up again. We're going to try this again. I know I'm probably not going to be doing it right, but... We're going to give her another whack. There she goes. There's a bunch of water in that thing. Probably should have got that out.
No shit.
I got tire plugs, so I'm just gonna pop a hole in this thing. Well, okay. It's dripping. I'll be back in 10 hours.